Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. So guys, on this video I will be showing you guys how I create this beautiful gorgeous look, guys. This purple look and mid color. After doing my brows, I use a setting powder to set off the brows later before I use my face primer. I use two type of face primer. I use 24 gold primer, serum primer, and later I use serum face primer too. After doing that, I use foundation. This foundation I use is from Juvia's. I made a mistake of buying this concealer, this foundation. It was not my color. I bought one is my color, the other one it was not my color. Anyway, I have a lot of concealer. I have a concealer from from Revolution. The concealer is a little 2 times lighter or 3 times lighter than my shade. Anytime I use a dark foundation like this, all I need to do is to use a light foundation, a light concealer to blend it out, to bring out my color. Okay guys, very important. If you have a dark foundation, you use a dark foundation, you can use a light concealer to bring it out. It will be matched together so that you can get your exactly of your shade, guys. After doing that, I use a brush. This brush I use is from Juvia, is from Revolution. Sorry guys, from Revolution, guys. Okay, after doing that, know that guys, I don't forget my lid. I love to do my lid before my eyeshadow and any other thing I need to do. But first of all, I love to do my lid, do my foundation, do my face foundation, everything about my face before doing the lid. This is it, guys. After doing this lid, and um I use a Revolution concealer and Juvia's concealer. I use foundation for the up, and I use a Juvia's for the down. Sorry guys. After doing that, this eye base is from Juvia's. This is eye base is from Juvia's, guys. This is my purple look. Okay guys, after using the eye base, I use this purple look from Juvia. This palette, as you can see, you can see the palette on my hand is from Juvia's. I love using Juvia's product. It's not because it's cheap, it's not too expensive, and it's not too cheap. Their product is very good. It's good for upcoming makeup artists, and it's good for makeup artists. If you know you're a professional, if you know that you're a professional makeup, this product is very good for you too, because I love using their products. Anytime I use their product, I love my makeup. That is it. Okay, that after doing that, I do my nose, guys. This nose, I have big nose anyway, but covering my nose is just like wasting of time. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. But for this, I don't know if it's okay or not, but it's a little better than nothing. Okay, that after doing that, I just do my face, do my makeup, do everything, do my bronze, my powder, blending everything together. Voila, so beautiful and gorgeous. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing this page or seeing my video, please guys, follow my page, like my video, and share. This is my lashes. I love big lashes. Okay guys, before you see any other thing. Anyway, I know you guys is always insulting me on my page. No problem, I love it. Okay, say anything. It's a free word. You can say anything you like. Love you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. So guys, this is me after that makeup. So beautiful, gorgeous, and amazing. Love you. I love this makeup, guys. That's why I love purple.